Sure. So we are the only consignment to retail used car retailer. So what we do is we sell vehicles for people instead of being a merchant, which buys vehicles low and sells them high. So we're a service provider to the car seller, either a consumer car seller or a corporation that has vehicles to sell. And we sell those through our omni-channel platform to used car buyers, the retail public. And so before we existed, you may have either traded your car in or taken it to a car buying service. But with us, or you could have sold it yourself on Craigslist or parked it on the side of the road. But with us, we take your vehicle, we professionally merchandise, market the vehicle, we recondition it, we sell it to the retail public through our online channel or through our hub network, and we stand behind the product. So from a buyer's perspective, just like another used car retailer, although we stand behind the product and we offer a better price, and for the seller, they get more value for their vehicle.
And your revenue comes, I think we just showed it on the side of the screen, from a flat fee as opposed to a percentage of the sale price?
We have different models that we use with different clients, but most of our clients are on a flat fee model. So whether you're selling a $4,500 car or a $90,000 car, our fee is the same. And it is because it's the same amount of work to sell a $4,500 vehicle and a $90,000 vehicle, and we want to offer the same value to every type of car seller.
Is that the value proposition, Michael, for the consumer? Why would I go to you instead of just sell my car on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace or just the used car dealership down the road?
Yeah, so the way it used to work and still does for those who choose to go that way is you can either go low value, low hassle. That would be trading it in at a dealership. Very easy, just give them your car, but you're going to get a very low value. Or you could do it yourself. Higher value, but a lot more hassle, time commitment, potential danger. So what we do is we marry the two and we provide you high value, low hassle. And that's because we do all the work, we professionally market and merchandise your vehicle, and we sell it to the retail buyer. And net our fee, you're gonna make thousands more than you would have otherwise had you sold it yourself or traded it in.
It's been a good time to be in the used car business for sure. We've seen it boom during the pandemic, Michael. But what happens when we start using public transportation again and Ubers and Lyfts again? What does the business look like?
Sure. So one of the things we love about this industry is it actually is remarkably stable. If you go back several decades, there are about 40 million used cars that are sold every year. The peaks of the boom, the troughs of the depression, a recession, you'll see maybe 37, 38 million sold or 41, 42 sold. And so it is actually a very, very, very stable market. What does change is pricing. But because of our flat fee model, pricing doesn't necessarily impact us like it does the rest of the industry. So, whether we sell a $20,000 car in good times or a $10,000 car when people are struggling a little more, for us, we're providing the same value to the seller. We're providing a great vehicle to the buyer. And it really doesn't matter what part of the economic cycle we're in.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.